welcome back to my channel. This is Shaylandiaye for those that are new here. Today's video is gonna be super exciting. We're gonna do a full face using e.l.f. products. I love e.l.f. So I'm really excited about this. One thing that I did not get though, I did not get the primer, but I have everything else. And I think the foundation I got wasn't a really light shade. So yeah, we're just gonna make it work. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave a like in the comments. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Hey Honey Primer Good Morning Honey Soak Facial Primer. I know it's not e.l.f. I don't have the e.l.f. primer, but we're just going to make do with this one. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So we're going to go in with the e.l.f. eyebrow pomade thing. Okay, I really like this a lot. Ooh. On my eyes, my brows are so bold. I kind of like that. So I'm gonna use the color correcting palette. If my lights are going in and out, I'm so sorry about that. It'll get better, I promise. It'll get so much better. Take a little Q-tip here and then just kind of blend, I guess. I don't know. Just wipe away things. Or you can use your finger. But this is like white. This is really white. Wow, your brow is really gonna be outlined. I can't even take a Q-tip on this side. Okay. So literally we're just gonna leave it like that. I'm fine with that. So I do have the concealer, but I think this is a little dark for my shade. This is like my sun. This is like when I get a tan and I'm this shade, but I don't have a tan clearly because it's been crazy here in Wisconsin. It's just been raining and flooding and just really crazy here. And I think we just need some sun right now. So I'm just going to take my little sponge guy and then rub the concealer all in my eye. This works as a really good base. The concealer helps as a really good base to apply your eyeshadow with, so your eyeshadow will last so much longer. For palette, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna go in with the light tan shade. And I'm just gonna go in pretty much all over the eye just to set that concealer in, girl. That's all we needed. I really like this palette, this contour palette. Okay, to this darker shade right here. And I'm gonna apply that where my transition, in like my transition area. That is so pretty. Move in circle, 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 then swipe back and forth. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little concealer, my little e.l.f. concealer, and I'm just gonna basically put that in the middle. Like that. Perfect. Because with those circle, circle, circles and those swipes, it should look like that. You should have some color on the inside as well on the outside. Just gonna do some of these, and you could actually blend in with your finger. That's perfect. It's not like a harsh, not like that harsh line. To the e.l.f. Prism eyeshadow palette, and then I'm gonna use, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my finger and use, there's my wipes, and I'm gonna go into like this, like brown. I don't know, my finger looked black. And I'm just gonna like tap all that onto my eye. Pink color right here. Yeah, that like pink color. Tapping it all over them eyes. So I'm gonna throw this eyelash on and just hope for the best. e.l.f. foundation in the shade Natural. Because I was like, why not? I'm as natural as it gets. But I mean, when it oxidizes, I guess it's not that bad. But it's still really bad. It is so white and pale, and I just feel like a ghost. I can literally go under my eyes with this. It's like, I don't even need the concealer part. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. HD setting powder, or HD powder. My little sponge here is drying up on me. It does have like some like shimmer flecks in it, so just to let people know. Powder brush, just because I'm like so freaking pale white right there. Dip into some of this and just kind of just, I don't know, there we go, kind of just like go over everything. Going with like this shade right here. If you guys don't know, this shade right here. Yes, I need some color. What am I doing? Okay, now that my face is getting some freaking color to it, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that color just to like darken up the bronzer. Yes. Okay. Clean up. We're gonna go in and clean up our face. So next I'm gonna use the blushing blush. It's just called blushing. That boy right here. This is so pretty. It's called Rose Gold, right? Yeah, it's called Rose Gold. This is the Flare highlighter. This is so gorgeous. I'm deceased. I'm so Yes, on top of the brow. Coming in down on the nose. Right here, the nose tips. My chin. Last but not least, the e.l.f. Blushing Rose Liquid Lip. Ooh. Outline. I don't have any e.l.f. setting spray, so I'm just going to use my Morphe one. Ugh. This is my look. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I do take the time to read them and reply back to you guys. So, thank you so much again for watching. Stay tuned in my next video.